It's Chris Mills with NFTY. Super excited today to show you the rollout of our reward payment system and withdrawal system. This actually completes the start to end loop of our protocol. So it's a huge milestone for us. We still have so much more to do, but I wanted to take people through this. To get started, you need to go to our Web3 app, and you can access that at dapp.niftytoken.app. And that by default will take you to the staking page. So this is where you're going to see how many tokens, NFTY tokens you have staked. You can see your current progress, how many days you've staked. So that's your streak, and all the information regarding staking. And then for the advocacy section, this is where you actually do the work for advocating on the NFTs. Most of you that are excited to collect rewards have already gone through this process. And then for this particular test account, I have not actually advocated. So I'm going to go ahead and advocate towards this NFT. Just advocate 100 tokens. And then now you'll show that it shows that I've advocated. And so all of this has been working. We launched most of this on February 5th, but the new section that we have launched just recently is this rewards tab. And so now when you click on the rewards tab, you're going to end up with three different tabs within. And so the first one is the auction tab. And so this shows you any auction that you've interacted with. So whether you've advocated on it or de-advocated on it or whatever, you get to see that here. You have a bunch of different auction statuses. So like there's active. So this particular one I just did, the Restoring Ukraine, is in an active advocation period, and it shows what percentage of the pool I have. Canceled auctions is an example of an auction that NFT that possibly didn't sell or something else happened. And then you can see these ones that sold, and each one that sold shows how many tokens that I allocated towards them, what percentage of the pool that I had, and then what my payout is and what that denomination is in. And so all of this history will continue to build as you go through the system. When you click on the pending tab, you're actually going to see all the denominations that you've bid on. And so there could be some auctions that have been done in other denominations. Since everything's been done in ETH, this particular one is going to be shown in ETH. Now, one thing, this is a test account. One thing I want to point out is if you haven't generated a minimum of 0.05 ETH, for this particular denomination, you will not be able to put in a withdrawal request. And so that withdrawal request will be disabled for you. As I'm testing, I went ahead and disabled that limit just so that I could show this. So when you click on the withdrawal, it's going to pop up and tell you what wallet account. So that's the wallet that you're currently connected with. It's going to tell you how much you've earned, which in this case, it's 0.0105. And then we have to charge a gas fee. And that gas fee is paid to the miners, and that's used to process and send that transaction to you. And so after the gas fees, the total that I'm going to be withdrawing is this 0.004. I'm going to put in a withdrawal request, and then that will go in. Once I do that, my pending status is now gone. And when you go to the payment status, it'll show you the date, the amount that you're requesting, and the status is pending. From here, it goes into a back-end process. That back-end process can take anywhere between 24 and 48 hours to process. And then once that process is done, this particular screen will change. I will switch over to another wallet just to show you. And so in this case, I put in a request on 3/16. The total amount was above the 0.05. It was paid in ETH, and then you'll actually get a link to the transaction. So you can see that the 0.5 ETH was sent. And so this completes the whole process from starting, creating a new NFT that gets minted. It goes through our advocacy system. All of our users advocate their NFTY tokens towards it. It then goes up for sale. We mark that for sale, and that lets the user know how much money that they are eligible to receive. That goes into the pending collection. Once people hit their certain thresholds, they're able to put in their withdrawal request, and then a backend process will automatically transfer those to you, and you get to do it all over again. So we're really, really excited to be at this point. It is a huge, huge milestone for us. Please stay tuned. Please let us know if you have any questions. Join us in Discord or on Telegram or any of our social media channels. we're always around. Thank you so much.